Okay, cool. I think we should be live. So, hi guys, welcome to Advent of Code 2021. We have some German playlist aesthetic in the background. We have a face cam. I'm bald now, which is cool. And yeah, we're doing 2021. First 3 days because I'm late. We got our beer. Okay, so we're planning to do, as you can see in the title, switch to this. See Advent of Code, see 2021. So languages. I think the primary one is going to be Elixir. And the reason for that is because it's similar to Ruby, it's functional, and it runs on, I think it's called a Beam VM. It's kind of cool. And then our second priority is going to be Ruby, because it's cool, and cool at Python. And then our third kind of tier language would be Golang, because it has that, kind of modern C++ feel, which is nice. And then our last one is going to be C++ for competitive programming vibes. And our goals is to complete every day, and this is because we don't want to quit around day 5. Yeah, if we do, we're doing it 4 years, and yeah. Let's see, day 3, day 4. So last year I did up to day 4. 2019 I did up to day 2. And 2018 did up to day 3. So I think we're being a bit generous in saying day 5, more like day 3s. And another goal is to learn Elixir / Ruby. And our last goal is to polish up our Golang and C++ modern. Yeah, so thanks for joining me, guys. I think we have 0 people. It's kind of cool. Yeah, but this is kind of my own personal gain, just getting used to live streaming, and it'll be up on the channel afterwards if you want to chill. I don't think I'll do an edited version. I think for future days I'll just do quick edited versions, but for this, as kind of our celebration, let's just do a live stream. Cool. I'm gonna code day 1. Okay, let's see. So you're off minding your own business. Ship at sea. Your slave key is flying to the ocean. Okay, so antenna strength by displaying 0 to 50 stars. How do you save? Okay, cool. That's your Advent setup. Okay, so this is a sweep of all the ocean depths. How quickly the depth increases. Okay, so count the number of times depth measurement increases from the previous measurement. Okay, so this seems like a list iteration type of thing. And because Elixir is functional, we can also do this using a reduce. So we reduce over the list using the, or do we map? I don't know, but we need the two elements. We need to move along the list in pairs. And for every increase, we just need to add one to counter. And we need to get our puzzle input. Control C. Input .txt. That should be everything. So that's all of our input, right? And so Elixir, I'm using these two books, Joy of Elixir and the Elixir School. Okay, so I already have it installed. Yeah, see, cool. Interactive mode. No, thank you. Okay. We have booleans, atoms, strings, arithmetic, comparison, string. Okay, so it's kind of similar to Ruby. You can see this tuples. Let's jump straight into standard input and output. Okay, let's just read this because this one's a very simple list one. Okay. Elixir implementations are linked lists. Prepend, then to append. Okay. So if you pipe onto a list, and then, okay. So plus plus is concat, and then piping is appending, kind of. I'm guessing that's kind of like Lisp, like first rest. Subtraction, head, tail. Yeah, head, tail, okay. So this is very similar to Lisp type things. On the cons operator, okay. Yeah, so that's cons. Tuples, yeah. Keyword lists, I'm guessing it's kind of like Ruby. Maps. But where's Hello World? Okay, yeah, here we go, Hello World. Wait, hold on, let's go here. Oh, this website's kind of whack. Oh, pleasing the masses with code. Okay, so that's how it worked. Okay. Okay. So they're just using the RECL. Variable. We don't use the RECL. Here we go. Okay. So this will be useful. This will be useful. Files. Okay, so Mix allows us to create Elixir projects, modules. We don't need to do a new project, I'm guessing. Maybe these 2 books are good enough, so Elixir run file. Aha, okay. So we need the .exs and then just Elixir, okay. So touch part1.exs. Okay, and I'm just gonna treat it treat it like a Ruby script. Yes, you want the mix thing. Okay, so mix kind of like your build manager, because it's not interpreted like Ruby, but I'm fine kind of running this as kind of like a Go run type thing, because these are just like programming problems, not like an actual project. So if we do we should be able to do one hint. How do we print out stuff? Okay, IO.puts, okay. Okay, cool, hello world. And we saw we had the IO get. Cool. So if you do IO.gets, and we don't need a new prompt, I'm guessing. And then we can do IO.puts bar, and we feed it in the. It's just that. Just do that. The input IO gets is. You sure? IO gets 0. Oh, so you need a prompt, okay. Okay, and if we count our input.txt, well, we want our head. Yeah, that seems right. Okay, so now we can just loop over it and build up our list. List equals that, right? And then we want to do for everything. Let's see if there's a loop. Maybe this one has a loop. Oh. Working with this probably. I mean, probably like a do while type thing. Wow, okay, I am getting lost. Okay, so we're getting to the map reduce, which is fine. We need to do control. We need control. Conditional, that seems right. Huh, okay, so they're already doing file read. And they're already splitting it by, okay, and they have piping kind of like Elm, which is cool. Okay, this we want the snippet. So get rid of this. Case file dot read. That's our input dot text. Do and I'm guessing this is like our anonymous function. Okay. Wait, okay, it's conditional code. Previous chapter. Oh, how did I not see that working with files? Okay. File read. Guess this is output. Okay, so we get a tuple back, okay. So this is matching? Yeah, so this is matching. Okay, so we have a case and then we have our match over tuples. So when we get this match, we want to do that. If we get our error, and then our error number, error, no ent. Huh, okay. This is kind of cool. It's like Ruby, but very, very functional. Read, no, we want IO outputs. Our file equal input text. And then we want this to be file, and then puts file is not found. Now, is that string concatenation in this? We will find out. We will find out soon enough. Oh, missing end, okay. Case do end. Okay, I need like a Vim plugin for Elixir. Okay, if I remember, the concatenation was this. Nope. So let's go back here. Strings. Reverse. Split. Oh, I guess we'll just use interpretation. Oh, there has to be ways to concat. Concat. Join? No. Maybe it's in here. basics, collection, pattern matching. This is what we're on. Control structure, pipe, modules, strings. Huh. Chart list. Come on, just tell me string concatenation. I think this one had the operations. Maybe it's not overloaded? Oh no, here we go, it's okay. String concatenation uses the... why? I'm guessing it's just not that. Well, like, it's not that used. Just regular concatenation versus interpolation. So that should work. Yeah, input txt. And then if we change it, and then if we run that again, it is found. Okay, cool. So we got our pattern matching. That's fine. I'm guessing comments is this. We don't care about that. We know our contents. Let's just see what happens when IO outputs our contents. Cool. Is it just as a string though? Let's see. What happens if we try to cons it? Collections, lists. Use that. Okay. Leroy const onto contents. And that will be our new list. Does that work? That did. Okay, so they're all strings. Okay. So we need to turn the strings into numbers, and we can do that with a with the map. So we'll map into reduce. I guess we want the pipe. New function, yeah. Yeah, so it's very much like the Elm thing. I think this is just wrapping all the functions and then calls it. It's making a stack of the calls and then it's popping them and evaluates. We have our input, right? And we want to convert them all to numbers. So we have our contents and we pipe that into... Where's our map? There's some. Functions to... Wait, pattern matching.
Das, was du bist, wird immer bleiben, ganz wortlos wirst du auf alles es nur zeigen. Das, was du denkst, wird einfach leiser. Der Wind und der Regen tragen es weiter.
Match operating performance and assignment went equals a variable. I feel like that'll come up later, but I cannot be bothered. Additional structures. If bool, then yeah, case match. Okay. Okay, conned. A good kind of conned. Okay. Yeah, this is very much kind of like the BSO that we got taught at Northeastern. It's kind of cool. It's like BSO just with like Ruby flavoring, which is very nice. With Nestka. Map.fetch. Okay, so they're calling a... They're calling a dictionary map, okay. And then... Okay, so we can define functions. Def module, huh?
Wenn die Blätter sich färben, sind wir immer noch da. Du bleibst in mir und ich bleib in dir. Es ist egal, was sich ändert, wir sind immer noch wir. Auch wenn keiner uns findet, bleiben wir.
So this is all creating our own functions, which is okay. This guy's not helping. We'll go back to here. Yeah, so maps are dictionaries. Although it makes it harder because if I'm Googling Elixir map, then it's gonna be hard to Google. Oh, it finally told us at the very end that
Jetzt fliegst du hoch, lässt einfach los. Jetzt fliegst du hoch, was mach ich bloß? Wenn an kalten Tagen Flocken fallen und sich
okay, this verse was last.
Dächer kreien, wo soll ich hingehen? Wo soll ich jetzt hingehen? In meinem Kopf kann ich dein Lachen hören, hab jeden Schritt bewacht. Ich könnte schwören, du warst doch eben noch bei mir.
Okay, enumerating, we can just do each. So each, and then for each argument, we have our function. Okay, here we go. This is our map. Map.
Dass du doch zurückkommst, leg ich mich in dein Bett und kann dir nah sein. Keiner hat es mitbekommen. Jetzt hat er dich zu sich genommen. Bitte nur einmal, nur ein letztes Mal kann ich dir nah sein, du wieder da sein. Und jetzt flieg ich.
Let's try that.
Lass einfach los. Flieg zu dir hoch.
Need to go back to pipes.
Lass einfach los.
How do we handle arity?
Flocken fallen und sich hilflos wie ich an Dächer krallen. Wo soll ich hingehen? Wo soll ich jetzt hingehen? In meinem Kopf kann ich dein Lachen hören, hab jeden Schritt bewacht. Ich kann schwören, du warst doch eben noch bei mir. Du standst doch eben noch bei mir. Und ein Flugzeug aus Papier liegt immer noch hier. Liegt immer noch hier.
I guess we could use a temporary function.
Ich bin die Zeit, die rennt.
Pipe it into the function.
Wer wird die Stille füllen und dich in Liebe hüllen? Wer wird dich tragen?
And it'll perform enum dot map of percent or is and sort of contents, and then Elixir string to number. Integer dot parse. Okay. Oh no, we don't want that. Missing Terminator. On line 5. I guess it is ambiguous. Or it's line 8. 8. No. What did I goof up? Piping.
Ich war noch nicht angekommen, wollte so viel erleben. Ich wünschte, wir könnten uns heute noch mal begegnen. Ich hab dich nicht kommen sehen und dann warst du da. Und was ich vom Leben wollte.
Oh, we can just okay.
Ich nahm meine Träume, hab sie zu dir hingedreht und viel zu
We don't need that part.
gemerkt, dass mir komplett die Richtung fehlt. Mit dem nächsten Zug bin ich einfach gegangen. Verdammt, ich war einfach zu jung. Hat Angst, dass ich irgendwas verpasse. Doch ich dreh mich heute noch um.
Missing Terminator. Line 5. Ach. Two integer 0. Do I have to explicitly say 2?